Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a logo onto your Wix website. So firstly, open your browser and go to your Wix dashboard. Then over here just simply first select your site which you want to add the logo in. Then after you are in your dashboard, just simply click on edit site over here. Then after your site has been loaded completely, what you have to do is just simply click on the header part over here. Then just simply click on quick edit. Now over here in the vector art, what you have to do is just simply click on change. Then just simply upload your logo over here. So just simply click on upload media. Then if your logo is on your computer, just simply click on upload from computer, or if it is on any other drive, you can choose them over here as well. So for me, I have it on my computer. So you can just simply drag and drop or go to the location itself. Then after you have uploaded your logo, it should be something like this. So just simply click on the logo. Then if you want to make any adjustments, you can also do that over here. And after doing all of the adjustments, just simply click on add to page. Then a giant logo should appear on your page. Now all you have to do is simply change the size of this logo and place it wherever you want. So I will just simply decrease the size of it. Then just simply put it wherever I want. So as you can see, I have placed my logo where I want. You can also change the position of the logo in desktop and mobile version differently. So it is currently in the desktop mode. So in order for you to change it in the mobile view, just simply click on switch to mobile. Then you can change the logo design over here as well. So for me, I'll just simply keep it as it is. So after making all the changes in your mobile and in your desktop version, all you have to do is just simply hit save and publish. Then just simply go and visit your site. And as you can see, there is an issue over here. So in order for you to fix it, go back to the editor, then go to quick edit, then just simply click on your logo and just simply drag it over to the left side. Now again just simply hit save. Then just simply go back to the page and refresh it to see the changes. So as you can see over here, it still have to go a little bit further. So again go back to the editor and shift it to the left side a little more. After you made your changes on your logo, just simply click on publish. Then just simply go to the site and refresh the page, and you should see the change now. And as you can see over here, the logo is now perfectly set. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.